I'm known to spend much of my time using the Apple TV, whether I've been watching YouTube playing as I work or if I'm watching the release at home of the most recent Marvel film with 4K Dolby Vision. This is how I know the Apple TV 4K 32GB is a fantastic option for your home cinema. It supports full-featured 4K, high frame rate HDR, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos. It also has enough storage to meet the requirements that most people require from streaming boxes. You could also utilize the Apple TV to work out using Apple Fitness Plus, or enjoy original programming through Apple TV Plus. Let's see what's the most effective Apple TV to buy. Apple TV 4K is among the top streaming box Apple produces, and a new version was unveiled recently during Apple's special event in April. It is, as the name implies, it can play 4K quality content. However, it also supports high frame rate HDR as well as Dolby Vision. These can provide stunningly vivid colors when you stream the content that is supported. Dolby Atmos support also allows users to enjoy a full-bodied audio experience for movies that are supported. The new Apple TV 4K is powered by the A12 Bionic processor, which permits improved video performance, for instance, seamless video at 60 FPS. In the Apple TV 4K is the upgraded and new Siri remote that contains a circular clickpad that provides 5-way navigation, which improves precision. It's also touch-enabled, meaning you can navigate via swipes like you do when using the earlier Siri remote. The latest Siri remote also contains a power button for your TV. Available in 32GB and 64GB versions, it's possible to ask why the smaller size was selected. It's really about cost. As a streaming device, Apple TV doesn't need to download lots of video content directly to the box. It's true that if you intend to play with a lot of applications, particularly games, you'll need more storage space, but when you are using your Apple TV as a video streaming device, you can save some cash and purchase the 32GB model. The 64GB version of Apple TV 4K has the same features like the 32GB model with double storage. This is great when you download a large number of games and other apps. If you love having fun playing on your Apple TV, you might need the extra storage. A lot of stunning iOS games are now available on the television, particularly thanks to the introduction to Apple Arcade. The reason Apple has pushed towards arcade is the notion that games are available across its different devices and games can be played offline. To play offline, you'll require more storage, which is why the 64GB Apple TV 4K is going to be useful. It is important to note that the latest Siri remote does not include an accelerometer or gyroscope, which could limit the ability of it to be used with certain Apple TV games. However, this shouldn't be a problem for most users who use games on Apple TV, as they probably already have a controller or are playing games that do not require the two sensors. While 4K is becoming more commonplace, a majority of households own HD TVs. For those who do, they should consider the Apple TV HD, also known as the Apple TV HD, also called the 4th generation Apple TV, is really the most suitable option. It has similar apps to the 4K models, however it consumes smaller bandwidth for your local network, and is priced less. It does not support features such as Dolby Atmos. However, it can work with non-Atmos surround sound systems if you are using your Apple TV equipped with the AV receiver. Surround sound on the standard model might not be as deep as Dolby Atmos. However, many users have been enjoying their enjoyment for a long time without sacrificing Atmos. The most significant issue will be storage. It's true that the Apple TV HD only comes with a 32GB model, and if you download lots of games and apps and you don't wish to spend the money for an Apple TV 4K, but it won't have the ability to use all of the most important features, you're not going to be able to enjoy them. It is also worth noting that the processor used in Apple TV HD was not upgraded, and remains the A8 model that first came out in 2014.